According to radical pragmatists, polysemy is everywhere. Radical pragmatist is a concept that assumes that most, if not all, of the components of language should be explained through the way people use language in context. Radical pragmatists suggest that the way we should interpret a word is a lot more relaxed than we typically realize. One of the main characteristics behind radical pragmatists is that they argue that the words do not have fixed meanings or hardline definitions. This theory leaves that interpretation of each word regarding a situation up to the speaker. Words have many senses and vague meanings that speakers can reshape and adjust in order to incorporate them in a given circumstance. Regarding Pinker's novel, the idea of radical pragmatists is included and is important because the radical pragmatist school of thought disputes Pinker's beliefs regarding language and context. Pinker suggests that words have fixed meanings where radical pragmatists believe otherwise. The main problem with radical pragmatists' theory is that speakers reject sentences that make sense. Speakers do not obtain the freedom to modify words to any situation because there is a grammatical rule that speakers follow. According to Pinker, it is the meaning of the verbs that determine what type of construction the verb can appear in. Verbs have some requirements that need to be met independently of the situation as well as interpretation. The most important thing is that there's a direct relation between what you want to say and the structure that you can use. It is not the case that anything can mean anything. Finally, Pinker does grant radical pragmatists that there are some cases where speakers do use words in innovative, unconventional ways, as in subtexts and wordplay.